Hello everyone, today we're introducing the new Mac Posture Check feature. Now available starting with Workspot Mac Client version 6.10. This feature allows admins to control access to Workspot resources based on the Mac OS version, which is configured through the security policy settings. For this demonstration, we'll be reviewing the security policy for a specific user. We can see that Posture Check v3 is enabled as the security policy. Let's begin by opening the security policy. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll find the Mac Posture Check option. I'll go ahead and enable this feature. For this demo, I'll set the policy to display a warning message, Warn. Now let's check the current OS version of this Mac, which is 14.5. I'll set the minimum required version to 15 to trigger the warning message. You'll see the warning displayed. The Mac version you're using to connect needs to be updated to at least version 15. After that, I'll click Save. Next, I'll open the Workspot client and refresh the configuration to apply the updated security policy. When attempting to launch the desktop, the warning message appears as expected, notifying the user that their Mac OS is out of date. The user must acknowledge the message by clicking OK to proceed and launch the desktop. The desktop will continue to launch, but this warning will appear every time until the OS is updated. Now let's change the posture check setting from Warn to Deny. You can also customize the message displayed to the user. In this case, I'll update it to Please update to Mac OS version 15. Once saved, I'll refresh the Workspot client configuration again to apply the changes. Now, when attempting to launch the desktop, you'll see that access to Workspot resources is denied, and the custom message we set is displayed. Currently, the Mac Posture Check supports OS version checks, and more features will be added in the future. That concludes the demo. Thank you.